Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to retain length, you're trying to prevent dandruff and just trying to grow your hair beautifully well, then you've just clicked on the right channel. On this channel, we talk about everything natural remedy to grow your hair from the comfort of your home. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make this super conditioning mask that needs just 2 ingredients. And as you can see, our first ingredient is banana. I'm making use of 4 bananas because my hair is very thick and also very tangled at this point, like you saw from the beginning of this video. But if your hair is not as thick and also tangled like my hair, you can work with 2 to 3 bananas depending on your choice. And I also made use of 1 egg, and I'm also adding my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. If you don't have this, you can add olive oil or coconut oil or any hair oil of your choice, and it's just going to be perfect. So you want to make sure you don't add any water to this hair mask, else it's not going to give you that moisturizing benefit you should get, and it's also going to be so difficult to apply. So just do away with water and replace it with oil, or if you don't have any hair oil at the moment, you can just work with the banana and egg. Just make sure you don't add water, else you're going to end up with a very watery consistency, and you don't want that. And after this, I'm just going to cover it up and just blend so that everything can mix very well. But at this point, if you don't have a blender, you can just make use of a spoon, or you can also make use of your egg whisk and just whisk everything together to kind of just combine everything very well. This is the consistency I got after blending. I think I added too much oil because the consistency did not come out as thick as I would love it to be. But trust me guys, this was super moisturizing. Like, it just detangled my hair without any stress. That's because I did not add in any water to this mixture. So this is what it's looking like, guys. You want to make sure you follow the next step I'm going to show you because it's extremely very important. So you want to make sure you strain your mask before applying it on your hair so the chunks of banana does not stick to your hair, because if that happens, it takes a lot of time to get them out, and that is very annoying, guys. So make sure you strain your mask very well before applying it on your hair, and it's going to be so easy to wash it out, guys. So this is what my hair looks like right now, guys. Yeah, I know, don't judge me. People believe as natural hair content creators, every time we set our camera to face the audience, our hair should be in its best stage, but that is not even fair at all, because we are human beings and we have a difficult time. We have that time that we don't feel like doing anything, and it is just normal. But please, if you watch our videos, like our videos, subscribe to our channel, please always remember to come back and watch more videos because we post video every week. Okay guys, don't forget to like this video, and if you're generous enough, copy the link and share to your family and friends, guys. So over here, I am working in section, guys. When you're working with natural hair, it is always very important to work in section. It makes the whole work very easy and much faster. So I am applying from my roots to my ends. So guys, always remember your ends when you're using any application. When you apply on your scalp and your roots, always apply on your ends, because that is where the split ends happen. So you want to also give it the same attention you give your scalp and also the roots to avoid damaging it or causing split ends for your hair. So when I'm done with each section, I go ahead to put it in a twist so it doesn't dry up. And I love the benefit I get from this mask because of the ingredients I use. I really love the way it left my hair feeling super moisturized. Like you can actually see from this video, my hair was super soft and just so bouncy, and that is because it contains banana. Banana is a great ingredient that helps to moisturize extremely dry hair. It helps in retaining moisture, because one thing about moisture is you can easily get moisture, but retaining moisture is one thing that a lot of product does not do. But banana helps in retaining moisture in your hair, and it also helps in triggering hair growth. It helps in repairing damaged hair. Like if you're suffering from heat damage or any kind of damage on your hair, then you should really include banana in your hair care routine, and it's just going to work its magic for you. And it also helps in adding shine to your hair. It also contains egg, which is an excellent source of protein. Egg does not only trigger hair growth, but it also helps in reducing hair loss. So guys, can you see how these two combination is very essential for your hair? Because the banana help in triggering hair growth and also revitalizing your damaged hair, while the egg on the other hand is great in preventing hair loss. So these two combination is something you should definitely try.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos.
So guys, at this point you could tell I was very tired, and I have just finished the half of my hair and the other half was just there staring at me. Deep conditioning your hair is very stressful, especially if you have thick hair like mine, but trust me guys, it's worth every stress. Like my hair feels very good after every deep conditioning treatment, and I think banana and egg conditioning hair mask is slowly becoming my go-to DIY conditioner because it is very easy to make, it is very affordable, it is a rich source of protein, it triggers hair growth, it makes hair healthier, it removes dandruff, it works as a natural conditioner because I don't even use a conditioner after using this conditioner. All you just need to do is to just go ahead and shampoo your hair and you're good to go. It helps in adding shine to your hair, and it also repair frizz and damaged hair. Like I said earlier, if you're suffering from damaged hair, like from heat damage, any kind of damage, include banana in your deep conditioning mask and you're just going to see it do its magic on your hair. So at this point I was done with the application and I was feeling so happy and proud of myself. So I just went ahead to cover up my hair with a nylon bag. And if you have a steaming cap at this point, just go ahead and wear your steaming cap to steam your hair. But since I don't have a steaming cap, I forgot to record the way I steam my hair. I'm going to record it in my next video. So all I just do is after covering up my hair, I just on my hand dryer and I bring it closer to my hair to just kind of circulate the heat to steam my hair for like 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, I wait for 30 minutes and I go ahead to rinse my hair using a very mild shampoo, and I'm good to go, guys. So I hope you found this video very helpful. I hope you enjoyed. Until I see you in my next video. Bye, beauties.